Hi everyone, welcome back to Joey's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing amazing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect and the tastiest Ghanaian Nkatie burger or coated peanuts. So let's get started. For this recipe, I'm going to use the pink skin raw peanuts from Tropical Sun. So let's get started. Here, I am removing the bad ones, because some of these raw peanuts are broken, don't look good, so it's always best to remove them. So no rush, just take your time. You find a good lot of them, but if you are lucky to find just a few, that's great. So I'm gonna carry on doing this and then I'll continue with my recipe. So guys, I was lucky, I didn't have a lot to take out. So now I am going to add some salt, and then I am going to pour in hot water or boiled water. Then I'm going to let it stand for about 5 minutes. You can also decide to boil it straight on the stove. So this is how it looks like after 5 minutes. So the next step is to dry it. If it's sunny outside, dry it outside, but you know, I'm in the UK, in Europe, and it rains every day, almost every day. So the other alternative to drying it outside is to dry it in my oven. So I have already preheated my oven, so your oven doesn't have to be hot. I preheated it at about 100 degrees Celsius, okay, just to dry my peanuts. So it's going to take me somewhere between an hour and an hour 45 minutes, depending on the type of your oven and the quantity of peanuts you are drying. So I lined my tray with some parchment paper, and now it's going into the oven. In the meantime, I have got my plain flour. I'm going to add in some baking powder and then some salt. Then I'm going to grate some fresh nutmeg. You can also use the powdered one if you can find this one. And then I am going to mix it. So this is all for my dried ingredients. Now let's carry on with the wet ingredients. So I have got my eggs, and these are 2 medium-sized eggs. To that, I'm going to add my sugar. I have got vanilla sugar here because I didn't have my vanilla essence, but you can add any flavor you like. And then I'm going to mix the eggs and the sugar. Make sure you mix it well. Next, I am going to add my milk, and I'm using evaporated milk. So this is about 2 tablespoons. Alternatively, you can use powdered milk like Nido, or if you can't find any, if you can really not find it, just use fresh milk, about 2 tablespoons of fresh milk. You gotta use what you have, and then mix it. So guys, here are my peanuts, nice and dry. This is what I was looking for. So now I'm just going to transfer it over this, and then I'm going to show you how to make your peanut burger. So I'm first starting with the wet ingredient, which is the egg mixture. So you just want to drizzle some of this mixture on top of the dried peanuts, just like that, and then mix it. Make sure all the peanuts are well covered. You're gonna have to repeat this a few times, okay? And then I'm gonna add some of my flour mixture. So this recipe is very, very, very easy, guys. And then shake it. You see the way I'm shaking it? Starting from the back. This is what you want. And you have to repeat this process multiple times until you are done with the flour and the egg and sugar mixture. Okay, so let's carry on. There are other ways of making this peanut burger, and I also have another recipe which I did a few years ago, so please go ahead and watch it if you want to. In that recipe I did not boil, or pre-cook the peanuts. I just fried it directly, so please go and watch that one. I honestly prefer my other recipe to this one, but I mean, it depends on everyone. Okay, so please go and check it out. So here we are, I'm getting to the end of it. So let's give it one last shake. And sometimes you will notice that some of the peanuts just stick together. Just separate them and roll it. Okay, so it does happen a lot. But here we are. So I have also heated some fresh vegetable oil, and then I'm going to deep fry it. So guys, let's deep fry our coated peanuts. And make sure you do not overcrowd the oil, okay? So this is about right. And do not forget to stir it immediately. And your coated peanuts or peanut burger or Nkatie burger is going to be ready when it gets a very nice golden color. So this is not quite ready yet, so let's wait a few more minutes. And this is it. My peanuts are ready. Look at this wonderful golden color. This is exactly what you are looking for. So make sure you let the excess oil drain on kitchen towel, and there you go. So I have done the first batch, and I'm going to carry on with frying the second batch. So this is a very, very easy recipe, very quick. Everybody likes it. It is so addictive. I really have to be careful when I'm making this because I can finish it all by myself because it is so yummy and so addictive, as I said. So my dear friends, I am done with the second batch, and also it will smell amazing. Alright guys, so I have done frying my Nkatie burger, and this is how it looks like. It looks amazing, it smells amazing, it is so easy to make. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this recipe and that you are going to try it. Please do not hesitate to leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll reply you. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for another delicious Mrs. Juri's kitchen recipes. Bye bye, and take good care of yourself. Bye.